How to get cursed plants in Grow a Garden. Cursed plants. You can actually get cursed plants in Grow a Garden. There is a new update, the Easter update. If you do want one of the exotic packs in Grow a Garden, I'll be gifting exotic packs today. So let me actually show you how it looks like, because you can see right here we got the exotic seed pack, and this is the cursed fruit. This is literally the cursed fruit, and it is pretty much for Robux, and you can actually get it gifted. You can gift these exotic seed packs. So if you do want exotic seed pack, comment down below Easter. If you comment down below Easter, I'll be gifting 3 of these packs away to you guys. 3 of these packs to you guys, 1 each. Okay, everybody gets 1 pack, so 3 packs, 1 each. And this is the new exotic plant. Okay, the brand new exotic plant that you can actually get in Grow a Garden. There is also a picture that I want to show you, because there is literally a picture of the exotic demon plants. I actually forgot how to. It's the cursed, yeah, the cursed plants. I thought I had them saved. Yo, I thought I saved them. I didn't save them. Never mind. I mean, they're pretty awesome. They drop a lot of cursed fruits, which is insane. And like the video and subscribe.